Hello and welcome. In this presentation, we will discuss how to maximize built-in apps for your small business. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information and recording of this content, including the use of AI, are expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. As a small business owner, you already have powerful tools at your fingertips, the pre-installed apps on your smartphone. Whether you use an iPhone or Android device, these built-in apps can help streamline your operations, improve communication, and boost efficiency. Today, we'll explore how to use these pre-installed apps effectively in your small business, why to use built-in apps, how to use Commons built-in apps for your business, and some best practices. Using pre-installed apps offers several advantages. 1. There are no additional cost. 2. They are already familiar and easy to use. 3. There is no need to download or update. And lastly, they are often well integrated with your device's features. Here's how to use some common built-in apps in your childcare business. In the calendar you can schedule client meetings, plan daily tasks, set reminders for important dates, coordinate with other doulas or organizations for special events. With Notes you can jot down quick observations during client meetings, create to-do lists, draft newsletter content, and record mileage. Now with the camera you can capture images for marketing materials, record video updates for clients. With the Voice Memos app you can record verbal notes when you're too busy to type and record reminders or ideas for later review. The Reminders app can be used for task management and set notifications to pop up at a certain time, location, or when you receive a message from a specific contact. With Maps you can help families locate childbirth classes or events for new parents, plan trips to clients and estimate travel times, and the Clock app allows you to set timers for tasks or timed meetings. Use the stopwatch for timed activities and set alarms for important daily tasks. With the Calculator app you can quickly figure out supply costs, calculate billing amounts. The Contacts app helps to organize family and emergency contact information, store vendor and supplier details, and keep professional contacts handy. With Weather you can prepare for weather-related emergencies. Lastly, Focus/Do Not Disturb option allows you to turns off or limits your notifications while on. Can be customized for work focus, allows only people or apps of your choosing to interrupt while on. For example, only allow contact to message me while on. And can make a preset schedule or use smart activation, so the phone can turn on focus mode for you when you are at your work location, etc. Best practices for using built-in apps. First, organize your apps. Arrange your home screen to keep frequently used apps easily accessible. Next, use folders, group related apps together for quick access. Then sync across devices. If you use multiple devices, ensure your data is synced for consistency. Also, regularly back up. Use your device's built-in backup feature to protect important information. Finally, respect privacy. Be mindful of data protection laws when storing information about clients. By creatively using the apps already installed on your smartphone, you can significantly improve the efficiency of your business operations. These tools can help you stay organized, communicate effectively, and focus more on providing quality care to your clients. Use these apps as tools to support your work and free up more time for other meaningful work. Looking for more info? For more information about the New Jersey Doula Initiative, reach out to njdoula@civstrat.com or go to njdoulabusinessresources.com. There you'll find access to free resources to support your doula business. And be sure to visit the Civitas Strategies YouTube channel for more valuable resources to support you and your business.